everyone, Josh here. I'm very excited to share my amazing new listing located in Shola, Arizona. This gorgeous property is only a short 3-hour drive away from the Metro Phoenix area. With surrounding pine trees and at an altitude of 6,800 feet, these summer temperatures will be calling your name. This move-in ready home is just under 1,000 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with a separate 1-car garage. It's exactly what you need for the ultimate lock and leave retreat. Let's take a look.